Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is the sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is the sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Yeah, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Say, why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
The sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-dun-dun. Oh, today I am time traveling.
And every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you. And my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. 'Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. So today I am time traveling. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new
여기가
day.
와인 파는 가게였는데 문 닫았대.
Is shining.
알바 라떼.
I long to be with you in all the places you have been.
아니 다 나올 거야. 뭐 말하고 싶은 거 있어?
And time traveling.
너 이거 기억나? 이런 거? 하나씩 다 이렇게 모양이 다른 거? 엄마 여기 처음 왔을 때 이거 다 사진 찍어서 갔던 기억이 나는데.
Con la misma postura.
아니야.
Sí, así estirados.
좀 달라 근데.
Ya. Vale, todos hacen cosas diferentes, pero todos están estirados.
이거 유리 공예 만드는 거 아니야?
¿Mm?
유리.
Ah, sí, soplando
맞지?
para que se infle.
응. 아, 좀 다르잖아.
Pero,
여자야,
pero
여자.
están todos estirados.
응. 여기는 안 이쁜 데가 없어 보지, 뭐야? 맞지?
Sí,
맞지?
sí.
이쁘다. 일로 들어가 보자. 오고. 오, 너무 이쁘다. Arcos de la Frontera. 플라멩코. 뭐가 여기가 플라멩코 쇼하는데. 여기가 플라멩코 쇼하는데. 이건 어디지? 아디오 코르도바. 기념품 가게가 있네. 여긴 어디지? 까이네레. 스페인 각 지방에서 따와가지고 너무 이뻐. 너무 이뻐. 야. 와, 이쁘다. 루피트. 포르타 데 몽블랑. 여기다. 가죽공예. 뭐야로? 그러네. 이것도 가죽으로 만들어놨네. 저기 끝에 교회 있잖아, 뭐야. 고기 냄새.
Ah,
루카스처럼. 와, 오고 저 앞에 TV도 보인다. 더 가까이 보인다, 그치? 집에서보다. 너 이런 거, 어머! 아, 여기 미끄럼틀이 옛날에 있었나?
sí.
그래? 너 어릴 때 왔을 때 없었잖아. 그치?
Sí, todavía.
있었어? 진짜로?
Plan.
아, 교회로 가볼까? 저 교회.
Qué pereza. Yo, bueno.
일로 와봐. 같이 와. 같이 갔다 가자.
Didn't think it'd go this fast. Goodbye to this house we thought would always last. And this is where Dad's garden grows. Summer haze, my reading place, and late night tiptoes. And I know the memories are with me, even when you move to a town that is new. Guess I tend to hold on too strong, but you're always home. You're always home to me. Up those gray stay wooden stairs, me and Jess play pretend of time traveling, company around the table, seat by the windows where I learn piano. And I'm scared things change too quickly. The time tales from mom sing loud in my heart. And I know I'm not alone. You're always home. You're always home to me. So we'll make room for something new. Though I'm not little anymore, I'll always need you. And I know the memories are with me, even when I've grown to a place of my own. Please remember, I'll love you forever. You're always home. You're always home to me.
이거 봐. 재밌지 않아? 지팡이. 부엉이도 있어. 재밌다.
A mí me encantan esas ajedrezes de madera, así como son.
그래? 이거 생일 선물로 사줄까? ¿Cuánto
Para
vale?
Navidad, que queda.
Aquí está mi madre.
¿Cuántos años tiene usted? Usted tiene más años que yo. Estaba en esta tierra. ¿Quién habló de ustedes? Hace unos meses. Pasan tanta gente que me dice.
Antonio, sí.
Pues aquellos señores de los restaurantes. Sigue Mario. Tiene ya 70. Siempre fue una de las condiciones que tenía que poder sentar.
와, 이 8살 때 여기서 시작하셨을 때 일을.
Me imaginas con
그리고 지금까지 일을 하고 계신데 이거 지금 하고 계시는 거래. 우와.
Pues sí. Qué jovencita. Claro, por eso no digo que era muy jovencita. Pero los años pasan.
They say love is free, but it's more than you can see. It's a song, it's a melody, it's the beat of you and me. It takes more than words to know. It takes more than bills to show. It takes all your will when you try to wear a smile. Take care through all the trials. Just stay with me a while. It takes more than words